In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the doors into the openings that we had made in the previous videos. So starting out, the thing that we should already have done is the thing we did in the last video, and that's downloading the door from the 3D warehouse. Once we have our piece downloaded on our computer or on our Chromebook, this is what we need to do. So we're going to go up here to the hamburger, upper left-hand corner, and what we're going to do is select that and go down to import. And we're going to import from our device. And this should be almost the exact same on your Chromebook if you're doing that versus the PC in the room. Once you click on my device, you should be able to see your downloads. All right. So you can see that recently I have downloaded my door in window that I need there, and mine is found over here on the left-hand side in downloads. If you're not there, you might not see this as the exact same thing, but it should be this PC expanded and then selecting on downloads to find this. Once I find it, click on it, open it, import it as a component. If you import it as a component, it will be stuck on your cursor, right? It'll be kind of in the move tool. What I'm going to do right away is I'm just going to drop it over here on the edge. And after I drop it, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come around and I'm going to orbit. So I'm looking at that north-facing wall. So what I'm going to do there is either go to my camera and click on that view. All right, you can see that door that I have in front, or I'm going to just orbit around to get to this side. But I want to kind of orbit some, it's facing down so I can see my windows are open. If you have it looking straight on, you can't see because you can see the white wall behind it. And we're just going to see the floor. Now, the next thing that I want to do is I can make this duplicated a few more times just so I have enough. So in here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 openings. I need to have 5 doors. Right now I have 1. If I come in and I select this, I'm going to do it from the bottom left-hand point, and I move to the left. I'm going to depress the control key, meaning just click on it, control key. It now duplicates, all right? I'm going to click to drop it, and then I'm going to do an X command, which is a multiplier. And then I'm going to do 4 more, which means that I'm making that one that I had plus the 4 other ones. And then I have the pieces I need for my door inserts. Now, I'm not going to show you doing all of them, but I'll get a few of them started here. And that is, I'm going to come in, and the thing that I want to do is make sure I'm in the correct swing, first of all. Right now, it's not facing the right way, and it is also backwards. So I want to come in and I want to flip this. So if I right click it and I flip along the component's green, I should get a different looking door. And then I'm going to also flip along my component's red. All right. And now I have the door that I'm looking for, and that is that right swing door, and my hinge of that door is on the right spot of the wall. All right. Now the next thing I'm going to do is kind of orbit around so I can see this point right here on our component of the door. And then I'm going to click on my move tool or hit the letter M, and I want to select that endpoint. And it's very important you find this endpoint, because if you grab any other endpoint, it's going to be in the wrong spot. Once I select it, it's on my cursor, and all I'm going to do is go over to my door opening. I'm going to match up that point with this point of the door. Right? Sometimes you'll see the actual piece showing through. Right now in my model, for some reason it's not, but it's in the right spot. So the important part is doing that same thing again in the next one. So zooming out to find my stuff, zooming back in. Remember, wherever our cursor is when we zoom in is where we're going to zoom in to. This is also a right swing door from in the room. So I want to come in and flip that around. So I'm going to right click. I can do that in any tool. Flip along green, right click, flip along red. Now I have it where I want it to be, and I'm going to come in and select that same point, move that point after I have selected it to the corner. If your other door is getting in the way, you can move your doors out of the way also. Mine's not quite there. And then I'm going to select that endpoint. As you can tell, mine's a little different looking from this view than it was the other one. At the same time, that is the right place to put it. I hope this video helps. Place your other 3 doors. You can get all 5 done. And in the next video, I'll show you how to make the window openings. We're moving right along. Good job, everyone. Keep working. Thank you.